welcome, and to my subbies and my lock friends, welcome back. Today's video is all about my 11 and 12 month knock update. That's right, I made it to a year. I did it. No Dora the Explorer, but don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's get into it. So in my last video, which was my 6 to 12 month visual lock journey, at the end of the video, I asked how many retwists have I done so far on my lock journey. And thank you for those who've commented. Most of you guys got it correct, which was 8 retwists thus far. So for my 8 retwists, I actually went to Elegance House of Creations because that month was just crazy and I just needed a little pampering at that time. So I went, got my hair done. She actually used the Jamaican mango and lime lock-in gel. I'll put a picture so that you can see. So just a quick review on that gel. It left flaking and a lot of buildup in my locks, sadly, because it left the retwist looking so fresh and clean, and it actually lasted long. But I don't like to use gels that leaves a lot of buildup. You can see that it's still nice and neat, right? But if I actually unravel it, you'll see a lot of buildup in there. So I have to wash my hair ASAP just to avoid that massive buildup. I think it's been a month now, but other than the buildup and the flaking, it's fine. I'll say it's a good gel to use if you don't mind the flaking and the buildup. Leave a comment, let me know if you prefer only water and oils for your retwist or you have a favorite lock-in gel that you use. My locks are getting a little lengthy. When I did the twist out last week, I realized that my locks is touching my shoulder, right? So I just can't stop playing with it down by my shoulder. It just feels nice. The back is growing, everywhere is just growing. Even my fluffies, for those of you who may remember, my fluffy was just like here. This one, and it has another one, this one. Oh, so you see the buildup here. So that's what I don't like. But my fluffies was like here, just like right here. But it's now down to my eyebrows, past my eyebrows. So I'm so excited to see growth. And I actually did a comparison photo from February 2020 to, I believe, November 2020. I'll put a comparison photo right here. It's just amazing when you take lots of pictures, do videos, and then you compare it. I love to see a massive difference. I got more length, my locks got thicker. I do believe there's lots more to get thicken up, but we will see. In my 10th month knock update, I stated that most of my locks are being sealed and a lot more have been sealed during that time. On wash days, I do realize that a lot of curly ends are still there, but most of them have blunt ends. In regards to my 3 locks that I combined previously, I will actually be loosening it out and just twisting it back all over again. I don't want to have the hassle to learning how to use a crochet needle. I'm sure it's not hard to use, but I'll just loose it out and just start over. In my 10th month knock update, I actually showed the difference between the regular lock and this lock, and this have a lot of space in it. So just to avoid that, I'll just loose it out and start all over. So I'll make sure to do a video and update you guys on that. I realize that the frizzing has decreased a lot. It's still there, but it's not too much. For my lock routine, I am still doing the same routine, hydrating and moisturizing twice a week, washing my locks every month, and I do low manipulated styles. I don't do anything extra to the point where it will compromise the integrity of the lock. So I do my same routine and keep it nice and simple and allowing my locks to be free. so much for watching. That's all for my 11 and 1 year lock update. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends, and I'll see you until next time. Bye.